Okay, welcome to all. Next, this is a file I'm using for thumbnails for YouTube thumbnails. So what I'm going to do here, I want to edit this text. You can see this is a text. This is a very less layers also there. One is this text layer. Then I am put a masking here. Then I have a background. So I'll unlock this background also, but it is a locked background. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to edit this. Several ways you can edit this without harming this. First, we can do that layer, duplicate a layer. So layer is duplicated. Then you can hide this layer. Then only one layer is visible. This layer is hidden. So I'm hiding and coming here. I'm putting as Adobe Photoshop training. Okay, now I am selecting the move tool. Then I am moving this. This is a one way you can do the uh, editing. So this is not harming any time. If you can click here and you can file, you can export. So this file on this, what are the layer is on that setting, it is exported. I am not exporting it. Now if you don't want this, you want to here only, I want this only, you can export it. So this is a one way you can duplicate the layer and you can do and you can preserve what are the designs you are created. So this is a way you are not removing any designs. Another way, just click and drag this. I am selection tool. What you this layer I am coming. I want to duplicate this layer. I am just moving. You got a duplicate. You can move this. Sorry. You can hide this and you can do the edit. I'm going layer panel training video. So what we are done now? With the help of this duplicate layer, now you click here, you can see all the layers. And whichever the text you want, you can align it properly, you can export it. And you will get all the data is here. That is the way designers are doing. So you will get all the data, your same preference, you only changing the text, you can easily do it. And again, one more thing, if I click and drag, all these layers are hidden. And same way, you click and drag all layers, I can open it. I can remove it, click by one by one by one. Also, we can do that. And another interesting thing is, you think that I am on switch on all these layers. You want to work only this layer. So other layers need to be hidden. Press Alt. You just click on that. Only this layer is working. And you click again, you can understand. You can two things you can use it. You know which layer I am working, I want to hide and correctly look at that. That case me, you can think about this. Otherwise, you can just click here. So this is a way you can really understand that how you can able to work on all the layers, and some of the layers you are exporting. Whichever the layer is on, that only will be exported. So in this one you are studied. One is how to duplicate layer. You can duplicate the layer through the menus. You can duplicate the layer through Alt and drag, and you can export only the layers you can export it, and you can move the layers. All the things you have explained on here, and understand these things. If you want all these layers together, we can put it as a group. Okay, please practice the duplicating layer and other features I explained this video. And I will also explain group in the later videos so that I stop. So any issues, any problems, any queries, you send to me on my WhatsApp or my email address or my Discord channel.